My name is Logan Hosley, and I'm a Marketing and Merchandising Assistant with MerchKit. Today, we are going to be learning about point-of-purchase displays, or POP for short. Point-of-purchase displays are a marketing and advertising strategy used in retail stores to promote specific merchandise and special offers to shoppers who are ready to make a purchase. Point-of-purchase displays can be located near the checkout corners or in certain areas of the store to encourage purchasing decisions. There are many reasons why point-of-purchase displays help generate last-minute sales when checking out. First, the appearance of the sign or display in the retail setting where the products are available can and does often encourage the consumer to make an on-the-spot decision to purchase. Second, the sign or display gains the shopper's attention and brings the consumer to the product. Third, point-of-purchase not only enhances the product's image or its timeliness when part of a special promotion, like Halloween, Easter, or 4th of July, but can explain the product and thus inform the shopper. Fourth, coordinated promotions can stimulate the consumer to buy not only the product, but also other products that are being promoted along with it, such as combining a soft drink promotion with snacks like nuts, pretzels, or potato chips. Fifth, the point-of-purchase display or sign can reinforce a price message or stimulate an immediate action response from the consumer because now is the time to take advantage of a special promotion, a giveaway, a contest, and so on. Now that we know the benefit of point-of-purchase displays, let's look at what factors make point-of-purchase display actually work. First, products that are small and easy to grab. Second, products with low price point to impulse the customers further. Third, gives customers product options. Now, let's walk through planning our point-of-purchase display. First thing I'm going to do is go in and grab some products to create my point-of-purchase display. I start by pulling in some blue wine glass cups and arranging them to go on the display. Next, I grab some candles to display as well. I also choose to grab some canteens and tumblers that are the same brand and color as the wine glass cups to display. Next, I'm grabbing some miniature potted plants as well. And finally, adding some skincare products on the last shelf. I chose all of these specific products to display because they first follow all of the factors that make a point of purchase actually work, but also because this is for a spring and self-care promotion, and all of these products reinforce that story of treating yourself. Next, I'm grabbing some risers from the props section of our elements category to display some more skincare products on the countertop. And finally, I'm going in and adding some signs that match the story and color theme of the overall display. And here is the finished product. Point-of-purchase display can benefit your sales by attracting attention to the product, promoting brand name recognition, and creating impulse sales. Thanks for joining us today. Happy merchandising.